Hey there, love seekers and heart whisperers. If you're ready to dive deep into the fascinating world of love, you're in the right place. Today, we're uncovering the 3 mesmerizing secrets that can make a man fall head over heels for you. Now, let's talk about the intriguing differences between men and women when it comes to love. We all know that men and women have unique emotional wiring, and understanding this is the key to unlocking their hearts. Accepting the differences between men and women so we can accept both and be happier. Secret number 1. Understanding the vasopressin connection. Secret number 1 is all about vasopressin, the hormone that plays a crucial role in commitment for men. It's like a bonding agent that triggers a man's desire to protect and provide. So, how do you pull that vasopressin trigger? Triggering vasopressin in men is not about manipulation, but about building a strong emotional connection and creating an environment that fosters commitment. Vasopressin is a hormone associated with bonding and attachment in men. Here are some ways to encourage the release of vasopressin naturally. Physical touch. Physical affection, such as hugs, cuddling, or holding hands, releases oxytocin and can trigger vasopressin. Show physical affection to convey your love and care. Trust and openness. Build trust by being open, honest, and vulnerable with your partner. Share your thoughts, feelings, and fears, and encourage your partner to do the same. Emotional support. Offer emotional support during challenging times. Being there for your partner when they need you can deepen the emotional connection and trigger vasopressin release. Mutual respect. Show respect for your partner's thoughts, feelings, and boundaries. When a man feels respected, it can enhance his feelings of attachment. Long-term commitment. Express your interest in a long-term committed relationship. Men often release vasopressin when they perceive a relationship as having long-term potential. Consistency. Consistency in your actions and behaviors can help build trust and security within the relationship. Being dependable and reliable can reinforce attachment. Appreciation. Express gratitude and appreciation for your partner. Feeling valued and loved can stimulate the release of vasopressin. Communication. Keep the lines of communication open. Discuss your future together, shared goals and plans. This can signal commitment and reinforce attachment. It's not about playing hard to get. It's about knowing your value. Secret number 2. Unleash the power of oxytocin. Now, let's talk about secret number 2, the incredible oxytocin. This is often called the love hormone and plays a key role in bonding for both men and women. To trigger his oxytocin, it's all about creating emotional connections. Share your feelings, create memorable experiences, and be a good listener. This emotional connection will build a bridge straight to his heart. Remember, love is a two-way street, and nurturing these connections will make him feel special and cherished. Secret number 3. Balance independence and togetherness. And finally, secret number 3 is all about finding the right balance between independence and togetherness. Maintain independence. While fostering closeness is important, it's also essential to maintain your independence and individuality. Having your own interests and a life outside the relationship can be attractive to men. While it's important to maintain your independence and passions, don't forget to create those intimate moments together. Enjoy quality time, share interests, and keep the flame alive. Finding this balance will keep the sparks flying. So, there you have it, love seekers. 3 secrets to make a man fall in love with you. Remember, it's not about tricks or games, but understanding the beautiful chemistry of love and nurturing it with care. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more love and relationship wisdom. And as always, may your hearts be full and your love stories be unforgettable. Until next time, take care.